Today, we're diving into an exciting frontier of medical science: Mesenchymal Stem Cell (MSC) therapy for managing celiac disease at Regenamex. Celiac disease isn't just about avoiding gluten. It's a complex autoimmune condition that damages the small intestine, causing painful gastrointestinal symptoms. While a gluten-free diet is essential, researchers are exploring new avenues, including MSC therapy, to tackle the root cause and restore intestinal health. At Regenamex, MSC therapy represents a beacon of hope. These incredible stem cells possess the power to modulate the immune system, calm inflammation, and kickstart tissue repair in the gut. It's a non-invasive treatment option that skips the hassle of traditional methods, offering patients comfort and convenience. MSCs aren't just healers, they're educators. Research suggests they may help teach the immune system to tolerate gluten better, potentially transforming how we manage celiac disease. Imagine a future where small amounts of gluten aren't so daunting. With a robust safety profile observed in clinical trials, MSC therapy is paving the way for a brighter future in autoimmune disease management. It's not just about managing symptoms, it's about reclaiming quality of life. Join us on this journey of discovery and hope. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on MSC therapy and other groundbreaking medical advancements. Together, let's shape a healthier tomorrow.